Is it time to buy or sell QXO stock? In this video, we will explore QXO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will want to be aware of any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 25th of July, 2024, our system has categorized QXO as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.72. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 85.63%. This amounts to an average loss of 21.41% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significant downward trend in the short term. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated. However, there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nonetheless, further declines seem plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of approximately $21.96 should be viewed as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, a price of around $139.96 could represent the new bottom line for the upcoming trend, but it is premature to make any definitive conclusions. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of roughly 33.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 21.08% to 913.97%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 71.88% over the next year, with potential returns between 71.88% and 3,462.49%. This translates to a price range between $20.71 and $429.28 after a year. Our latest daily update for QXO includes the headline, High Volatility in QXO Inc. Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $12.05. The QXO Inc. stock price fell by 80.08% on the last day, Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, from $60.50 to $12.05. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 16.28%, with a low of $10.75 and a high of $12.50. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 77.89% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 19 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 19 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $229,999,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $290, while the lowest price was $10.75. Currently, the price is 95.84%, or $277.95, below the 52-week high of $290, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. QXO stocks have experienced a significant downturn, plummeting by 80% following the announcement of a $3.5 billion private placement. This news, released on July 30th, 2024, has raised concerns among investors, reflecting broader apprehensions about dilution and financial stability. When a company issues a large number of new shares, it often leads to a decrease in existing stock value as the ownership percentage of existing shareholders diminishes. Prior to this sharp decline, QXO was riding a wave of optimism, having recently appointed a new leadership team and announced strategic moves into the lucrative $800 billion building products distribution industry. This initial momentum had contributed to a surge in stock price, suggesting the potential for long-term growth. In the short term, the massive drop may deter potential investors and raise red flags about the company's financial health, potentially leading to a further decline in stock price as market sentiment shifts. However, if QXO successfully utilizes the capital raised from the private placement to accelerate growth initiatives and solidify its market position, it could recover and facilitate a turnaround in the longer term. Investors will be closely monitoring QXO's strategic execution in the coming months to gauge whether this downturn is merely a setback or indicative of deeper issues within the company. The following signals have been identified for QXO. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of QXO Inc. currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Furthermore, a general sell signal is present as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $71.20 and $85.15. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 90.28%. Additional decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock warrants closer monitoring. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 44 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average delivered a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QXO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience considerable decline in the upcoming days. This stock exhibits significant daily movement or volatility, and with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.75 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 16.28%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 40.13%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QXO. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could ascend rapidly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for your exit strategy. Conversely, there is no substantial support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock might experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and only consider making trades if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 25th of July, 2024, Sean Christopher Smith conducted an insider purchase of 27,353 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.00001 per share. On the same day, Christopher J. Signorello executed an insider purchase of 109,410 shares of common stock, also with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Additionally, Allison Landry made an insider purchase of 5,471 shares of common stock on that date with the same par value. Moreover, Jared Corey Kushner conducted an insider purchase of 7,040,396 shares of common stock on the 25th of July, 2024, and also bought 71,201 shares on the same day, both with a par value of $0.00001 per share. Based on the 71 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 99.183. Overall, insiders purchased 799,040,834 shares and sold 21,624 shares in these last 71 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable and a stop loss has not been established. Is QXO stock a good buy? QXO Inc. is currently displaying several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 31st of July, we project that QXO will open down by approximately 28 cents, starting at $11.77. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.